Man, what a doozy of a night. Wednesday night into early Thursday morning when we saw wind gusts in excess of 40, 50, even 60 miles per hour. Well, that threat is gone, and now our focus is on to the potential of seeing lowland snow. Now, let me preface all of this by saying this potential is not going to be for everyone, and for those of us who do see it, very limited if any accumulations are expected. Let's get into it. So we're going to have an impulse of energy move through parts of western Washington, which will enhance the precipitation. And as colder air settles in, we're going to see a few of those snowflakes start to pop out here across parts of the lowlands. Now, temperatures are only expected to drop near, if not above, the freezing point. And that's going to be the issue, right? Those of us here near sea level needed to be quite a bit colder because at that point, we're only talking about maybe a rain-snow mix, maybe a quick burst of snow, or even at times, just plain old cold rain. Now, there could be maybe a few areas seeing a very slushy coating or up to an inch on some of those grassy surfaces near sea level. Your better chances will be as you go up higher in elevation into the foothills. And even then, we're talking about kind of a similar situation, near if not above freezing for a lot of those temperatures. So again, we could see between about a coating to a few inches, depending on your elevation, but there's not going to be a lot, and we're not talking about a huge disruption when it comes to travel. And so for schools, maybe some cancellations, just a few of them in the foothills, or maybe just some delays, but kids, I would still do my homework. These best chances are going to happen from an area of around Everett down to about that Pierce and King County line. So more so King County getting the best chances of seeing that lowland snow, especially east side and heading up into the foothills. For those of us, though, more into the mountains and heading up across the Cascades, we're still going to see a lot of snow. That is going to be a given. We're still expecting 1 to 2 feet extra of snow as we head on into Friday and through the weekend.